Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to be installing the rear lights because last night I couldn't get both my front, which pretty impressed for a cheap Amazon light bar. See, hold on, this thing always pops out of place, but whatever. Nothing to do with my light bar. So reason being, I couldn't install my rear lights last night with my front light bar was because my wiring harness, which is right here, ended up being way too short to reach all the way back from my truck. So what I did was I went out and bought, to add on like a little extension, this. I bought, where the heck? So I bought this. I bought some trailer wiring. It was the first thing I could find. So I'm only gonna be using 2 out of 3 of these wires, this, and some heat shrink butt splices. So just to make a good waterproof, clean connection. Just because these aren't gonna be like my front light bar where I can just plug it in and call it a day. These I actually have to like connect them myself and all this stuff. So I decided that's what I'm going to do. Try and make it the cleanest that I can. So last night, because I didn't know my wiring harness was way too short, I went ahead and I already connected my little light bar to my wiring harness right here. So I'm gonna undo that. Anyways, it came out like crap, so I'm gonna undo that and we'll basically restart that part. And then I will do the way cleaner connection on this side, which I didn't even think. Alright, yeah. Well, let's hope it works out that way. Or can I just, think of it. It'd be nice if I could just do like an extension from, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just redo that just to redo it, but then I plan on doing, see if I can get a good angle for you guys. So, here, let me clean this up a little bit. I'll just cut this piece right here, right I'll just cut it right around here, so close to the plugs, and then I'll do the extension from there, just so I have still my plug and plays, I guess you'd say, and yeah, a lot easier, cleaner setup. So let's get started. Let's undo that little crappy connection I did last night just because I was in a rush to get this done, and clearly when you're in a rush your stuff doesn't come out good. So let's cut this. I'm just gonna push this back a little bit because I couldn't even heat shrink it. So let's just cut that off. Cut these off. And we also got roll here.
Cut the video, we're getting wild.
Alright, well, get back to you guys once I start connecting everything back again. Alright guys, so now we got some more people. We got Derek right there. We got Trevor. Oh, it's not focusing. Alright, so my wiring harness, we just laid it all down, ran it through down there, out of my fender liner right there, and this is where I cut it just to do the extension all the way back there. And
be excited.
alright, so now we're gonna put this one right here, then this one right here, clean up the wiring, put my lights there, and call it a day. Hopefully it'll run as smoothly as it sounds. So yeah, let's hope this comes out mint. We're gonna also like try to keep it as clean as possible. You know what? I'm gonna make life so much easier right now, and I'm gonna grab my creeper. According to Derek, they're a little bit overrated, but I don't know, sounds silly to me.
I don't think you've ever smiled before on camera.
That's a lie. Never. Alright. Lies. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys once we start doing all the wiring and stuff. Alright guys, so now quick update, we are making these holes bigger to fit the, to fit the OEM bolts that will go under that over there. And yeah, that's basically what we're working on now, making it fit kind of good. Dropping stuff, huh?
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'll show you guys once the lights are finally gonna be mounted on.
Drop the 20, I whipped it in my new play, I put the pot on.
Wait for it to take it and whip it back out.
So it can stick a little more. Drop palm all over your throat.
Just like that.
Oh shit, I just got that on video.
No, you didn't.
Can I have my bolt back, please? I see you.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Wow, you called it.
He missed it.
Damn. That's okay, we'll see it on the... Oh, it's not plugged in.
No, I ripped it out.
Oh, should we just take that apart?
Yeah.
Alright, well, another struggle. Alright, well, we'll get back to you guys as soon as I undo this stuff. Alright guys, so, quick update, we got that mounted out. He's just cleaning up the wiring real quick back there. And let's get some light up here. I am just connecting all the battery things. I completely messed up with the relay and didn't give it enough slack to put it on my frame anywhere, or anywhere to put it. Didn't mean to say frame, so I'll just worry about that tomorrow. But just gonna wire this in real quick and should be all set. So yeah, I'll show you guys once it's all done for sure. We just tested them out just to make sure they work, and they do work quite well, I guess. But yeah, so I'll show you guys once it's finally done. Alright guys, so they are bright. That's but oh, hold on, these garage lights are still on, but they're facing kind of up. I don't know, I'll worry about that after. So it's up. They'd have to go.
You gotta turn the reverse lights on too.
Stupid sensors. They are pretty bright. They'll do the job. Oh shit, we gotta clean up the wiring though, and then we'll be set. So it's not fully done yet, but
Let go of the brake. Reverse lights on?
no.
Really? The reverse lights aren't on?
No.
Put it back and start it. Do the reverse lights work?
Yeah. Nice little cold start. Alright, they're on. You guys see. Oh, let me turn off the lights again. Alright, as you guys see. Oh my god. As you guys see. Whoa. Wait, turn them off real quick. So, can't really see. Turn them on. way brighter. Alright, yep. Definitely an improvement. Again, these are also cheap Amazon lights. So I'll put the link in the description to these Amazon lights. Everything will be done. So that'll be it for today's video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Till next time, see you later.